Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to download and install Eclipse for Windows. So Eclipse is an IDE useful for running the Java programs. So for that, you have to open the official website to download the Eclipse IDE. And then you can see there are two options. I'm going to use this favorite desktop IDE package. So you have to select download. And then you can see there are two options. You can select the first option. So you have to select download. So you have to wait for the download process. So after the download is completed, you have to open the exe file. So you can select any one of the options like C++. If you want to use Eclipse for C++, you can use. Or if you want to use Java web development, you can use the IDE. I'm going to use Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you have to use that, and then you have to change the installation folder. If you have space in C disk, you can use the installation folder of C. If you don't have space, you have to change that. So I'm going to change to F. So this will be my folder, and then I'm going to create new folder. And then I'm going to select install. So I have to accept the terms and condition. After that only you can install the Eclipse IDE. So after the installation is completed, you have to select launch. So we can select your directory, and then you have to select launch. So we have successfully installed Eclipse IDE. Now we are going to run our first Java program. For that, you have to create new Java project, and then you can type your project name. I'm going to type sample. If you want to change the location, you can change, and then you can select any one of the JRE. I'm going to select 19, and then you can select finish. So you have to create new class, and then you have to select finish. So after that, inside you can type your hello world program. So I'm going to print hello world. So after that, you have to save your file, and then you have to run your file. So this is how you can install Eclipse IDE and run your Java program in Eclipse IDE. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends who wants to install Eclipse IDE for running the Java programs.